Hi, this is Gary Buck, Waterline Boats, Boat Shed Tacoma. Today we're aboard this Amazon 39 Pilothouse. It's a steel vessel built in Canada. Although this boat was built in 1985, it was completely gutted out inside and a whole new interior designed and built for it in the year 2000 here in Port Townsend, done by some rather remarkable carpenters. The design was done here. It was all built here and installed in the year 2000. It has a raised pilot house with a large settee that converts to a double berth here. The woods are all very light. These aren't laminates either, they're solid wood. Going forward, the galley is down on your starboard side. Corian countertops, double basin stainless steel sink. Very light in here and airy. Has a large Bomar hatch above us here. The galley has a 3-burner propane stove. Has a somewhat unusual refrigerator freezer for a sailboat. It has access on the countertop, which is quite common. It also has an opening door on the front here with 3 shelves in it, so more like a powerboat would have in it, although some of the newer boats have these. Forward of that, you've got a storage area and work area with this counter, and then what the owner calls his garage, which is an open anchor locker. He has all of his lines and sheets that are necessary. There's a bosun's chair in here and some other artifacts common to have aboard a sailboat. All of the cabinetry in this boat is vented fronts. It appears to be stainless on the fronts. And then looking back, as we go back on the port side, there's a single berth here that's across from the galley, but this boat is currently owned by a couple who had the interior designed as a live-aboard boat for a single couple, and this berth has underneath it a counter and a desk chair below it, so it's being used as an office across from the galley. Helm chair here at the interior helm, nav station directly behind it, navigation instruments available here at the interior helm. And then coming back again on the port side, you've got the electrical panel, which is right here, to a single head, very nicely appointed, single basin sink that converts as a shower. Directly across, we're now underneath the bridge out of the cockpit into the salon, and you have the double berth cabin, which is the master cabin here on the starboard side, tucked in underneath the back of the boat, with a nice sized hanging locker, cedar lined behind that. Very, very open, comfortable design for a couple to live aboard. And now we're back up into the salon again. What a beautiful boat this is. Absolutely beautiful. And then we have the companionway stairs going back up out into the cockpit.